Hi and welcome to Little Hatchlings Art Lessons. I'm Sarah Hatch. I'm an artist and a mom of 5 children, and this is my middle daughter. And together we are going to be drawing
a unicorn.
Yeah! So we're gonna do it in a cartoon style this time. We did a video a long time ago where we did a Pegasus unicorn, and it was in the woodland style with the flowers and everything. But we're gonna do a more simple cartoon style today, and we're gonna use Sharpie. If you're using Sharpie also, make sure you have your parents' permission and make sure that you have 2 pieces of paper instead of just 1. All right. Oh, and make sure you subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our future videos. Okay, so for your unicorn, you're gonna wanna draw it in the center. You could even do a vertical paper. It's not too huge, but just to make sure we have room for the tail, we're gonna do ours horizontal. We're gonna start up here with the horn, okay?
Right here?
The horn will be just about center, just a little bit.
Right here?
Yeah, so go down a little bit. You wanna be able to fit the horn in. So the horn will be up and then back down, like that. Good job. And then we're gonna do one of the horse's bangs. I mean the unicorn's bangs. That sideways swooped S shape. And then just below it, you meet it up. Good job. And then right next to that bang, you're gonna do a line up and then a curved line down, and that's the ear. And then you're gonna put a little skinny rainbow in there. And then we're gonna put a little bit more hair that goes behind the horn and then just meets up in there. Cute. And then you can do little lines on your unicorn horn. All right, now let's move on to the eye. The eye is kind of in this area that's in between the horn and the ear, right down here. Leave a little highlight in there. And you can put 2 little lashes off to the side. Oh, that's cute. Very good. All right. So now the nose, so from the unicorn's horn, right out of the bang, you're gonna do curved line down and then stop. And then we're gonna do a curved line in. And then I'm gonna put my pen over here. I'm gonna start my line from over here and bring it over. Good. And then we're gonna do a little smile and then a little nostril right here. Just a little oval. Very cute. I love yours. All right. Okay, now let's do this hair. So let's see. You want it to kind of follow the neck and then curve in like that. And then this is gonna be more of a swoop. So that's the first strand of hair. And then the second strand of hair is gonna come and swoop way further in. It's a long strand. And you don't have to do the hair exactly like mine. You can play around with it. You can have it swoop under instead of on top. So just have fun making some strands of hair how you want to. You can have it be even curly if that's your thing. I'm gonna do one more right down here. All right, okay. So when you're drawing the neck, you want to come in a little bit and be like right under the eye, and then you're gonna just at a slight angle go down. All right, and then The body, let's see, the top of the body is gonna be right about here. So you go just past the nose to about here. And then I'm gonna come back over here and tie that in. Cute. All right, and then let's see, let's do the front. Okay, so we're gonna have the front of one of the legs come just in front of this line. So you're gonna come over a little bit and then make that marking of the front of that leg. And we just need to know where that is so that we can know where this swoop goes for the front of the body. That's where it ties in, you know. There you go, good job. Then we can do this front leg. The front leg is gonna be at an angle because it's gonna be lifted up. So you draw a line like that. Then you're drawing like a little knee and then a diagonal line up. And then you're gonna draw a diagonal line down there. And then the front of the kneecap kind of tapers in. And then you've got the top of the hoof is at an angle like this. Okay, so now I'm gonna draw the bottom hooves first, like this. That shape is the hoof. And then we're gonna taper the line in and then back out and meet up there. You're trying to meet it up right there. It's okay. Yeah, there you go, perfect. And then right here is that little bone that changes the angle of the, it's kind of like the reverse knee. And then you swoop in and then back up. Good. Okay, now let's see. Okay, so for this back leg, we're gonna angle in further this curve, and then we're gonna go out for that reverse knee. I really should know what that's called. And then come down, and then draw a hoof. Okay, and then we're gonna angle and follow it up until you get to there, and then you're gonna curve out for the thigh and then back up. Cute, that looks good. And then look at this line. Think about how it goes behind the leg. We'll just finish off that curve. And then this back leg, it just like barely shows at all. It's just like a little angle with a little hoof. Oh yeah, that's nice. Good job. All right, now the tail. And you can do the tail however you want. This is how we're gonna do it with these swirly lines. That way we can do like some rainbow colors inside later. Ooh, cool. I like that. That's awesome. Now I'm going to go through and just thicken up some of my lines. You don't have to. So thickening up some of your lines, but not all of your lines, is kind of a nice effect. It gives some dynamics to your illustrations that maybe isn't there beforehand, but it's totally up to you if you want to do it or not. I'm just showing how you can do it, but totally optional. All right, another option is we used watercolor paper, and so we're coloring in with watercolor, but you can use whatever you have on hand to color. I did mine more of pastels and rainbow colors, and she did the true rainbow colors and just a white unicorn. We hope you had so much fun drawing the unicorn with us, and we'd love to see how yours turns out. Tag me at Sarah Hatch Art Studio on Instagram and show me your awesome pictures. I would love to see it. We'll see you guys next time.